The NFO for Franklin India Multi-Factor Fund, or FIMF in short, is opening on November 10th. Should we invest? Let us do a review. Welcome to Ultra Profits. I'm here to help you grow serious wealth by showing you how to invest smarter and go beyond average returns. I have picked the highlights of this fund from their scheme information document and a few other sources to create a view on this NFO. Watch till the end because I'm going to give you some unique perspectives at the end to help you with a decision of whether to invest. Now a quick look at the highlights of this fund. It is an open-ended equity scheme. The NFO opens on November 10th. Minimum application amount is 5,000 rupees. The allocation will be majorly equity oriented at about 80 to 100%. Here is where we get to the unique aspects of this fund. It uses a proprietary quantitative style of investing to avoid human biases. It is actively managed through multiple factors. The four factors are quality, which deals with profitability, balance sheet strength, efficiency, innovation; value, stock valuation and cash flow; sentiment, earnings growth, analyst expectations, behavioral factors; and finally alternatives, which is about short interest and other metrics. The fund house claims that a blend of these factors provides a better risk-adjusted return. It also does negative screening, that is, it excludes companies with poor quality scores, high risk, or poor corporate governance. There is not much information on the performance or backtesting publicly available or on their website. It is not based on an NSE or BSE published index. According to a Money Control article, it apparently provides a 4% alpha over its benchmark. Even if it seems impressive, this return may not be available across all market cycles. This is from the experience of the multi-factor passive funds. Other quant funds such as 360 Quant Fund, Quantamental, Nippon India Quant Fund, etc. have given 3-year annualized return in the range of 11 to 23%. You could use that as a comparison factor. Now to summarize, treat this as another quant fund. It is okay if you don't understand the complete logic of the portfolio construction. I'm not very excited with this fund. It is not hugely different or adds significant value to our portfolios. The downside being it is too complex. With so many factors, it is simply hard to understand. And finally, it is not proven yet. Conventional wisdom is not to invest in NFOs. If you have a good active flexi cap or a mid-small cap portfolio, then it should be sufficient. If you are still inclined to invest in this NFO, then you can wait for a few years to get an idea of its performance and then take a call. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.